Hi, welcome to our interview with new producer on the block, Nikhil Tonk, and creative director Mithlesh. They have taken on the onus of making a film on the controversial topic of Bhavri Devi. Guys, welcome to Films of India. So tell us, why, this is a socio-political topic. So what made you all choose this topic as your first movie?
Well, see, basically, initially the concept was developed by me and Mithlesh. Entirely, we formed it as a story. And yeah, we have taken the inspiration from Bhavri Devi murder case. Basically, how that woman was used, abused, but at the same time, she did not give up. It's basically on that. That's the core crux of my film.
But why such a controversial topic for a first film? Why not a romance or an action film like they do nowadays?
More than a controversial topic, it was the character that inspired us. That woman was used by the system, and then how she used the system.
Wow, that's really brave.
Her jumping back, if you have seen, no, I shouldn't mention
That's okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
see, basically, earlier also many people claim to make movies on Bhavri Devi. I've heard in the market currently, and even I've heard that there was something in the tabloids in the news in January that there was a film made. Plus, 10 years back, there was a movie made on Bhavri Devi murder case. But the thing is that currently, how many people over here know the actual things of the murder case? Actual insight.
Okay.
That was just about the rape.
Yeah.
How an 8-year-old, 12-year-old girl got raped and all that. But post that, how this girl reacted to that rape.
Okay.
How she had to get married to that guy basically, and then how she made that, used that guy in a way. It's basically, and then how she came into the film line, she became a dancer. And later on, how basically she came into politics finally.
Okay.
To earn her living, she was ready to do any damn thing. That's the truth of Bhavri.
Okay.
Of course, according to research I'm talking to you, this is the truth of Bhavri.
So you're talking of research. What kind of research have you guys done, and how long did it take you all to do this research?
Okay, so basically I started off like last year, around 6 months now. Around December I started this research. The reason being I started this research was that, again, media played a very important role showing Bhavri Devi murder case. 3 months back there was a news out that the MLA is behind the bars. And before that it was quite hot in the news. So I thought to better research it. I've got each and every paper cuttings with me from the day Bhavri was born in the media till the day Bhavri died in the media. Basically how media developed that girl.
Okay.
I've got all those research with me. Of course, it's been developed by my guru, Mr. Mahesh Pandey.
Okay.
Currently he's writing the film for us. And let's see how things go in place. I've got like around 5 top stars in my mind that who can play Bhavri Devi. The reason being, I'm not asking any artist to play Bhavri. Basically, I come on from a background of TV and of course marketing of films. But my basic forte as a creative, as a story writer, as a concept guy who wants to get life into this character is basically I'm finding a girl who in a real life is kind of her.
So you have actually 5 heroines, A-list heroines that you all have in mind.
Right.
Who would be your first choice and why?
See, basically, currently I have to meet those 5 women and understand their psyche.
Okay.
How comfortable are they in front of the camera as per my
Can you
script.
name them for our audience?
Okay,
who
so
they are?
basically, if you guys have checked on the midday hit list, the cover page, first comes in my mind is Malika Shehrawat, because I've seen that girl grown as an actor from where she's grown to where. Of course, second comes Priyanka Chopra. Of course, again Satpur Ma, salute to her, hats off movie. Third, of course, Bipasha Basu. She has made her name, like amazingly. She's made her name in the industry. All genres of films she has done. So of course, she's my next. She's my next. I won't say a preference, but of course, I wish her to play Bhavri Devi.
Okay.
Of course, after telling her the script, depends how she takes it. Of course, fourthly comes Kangana Ranaut. She's basically a woman, like kind of a one-man show woman.
Absolutely.
She's done everything on apne dum pe sab kuch kiya usne. Basically, she has that, that spark or aura, the way she stands,
The attitude.
her body language, her attitude, amazing. Something is there inside her. And of course, last but not the least, Jacqueline Fernandez. If you guys must have seen in the news, I wanted to know Jacqueline as an actor, and I watched Houseful 2 for 5 times, so understand her psyche, her body language, even her smile, what kind of a woman she is. Of course, she's played different kind of roles, and of course, when I approach her with this character, let's see how she takes it. It's not me who wants someone to play my wish list. 5 people are there. whoever, of course, whoever wants to give the total justice to my script, as well as portray what all happened to that lady in front of the world, of course, that person is going to play them. It's upon the artist who choose the movie,
Okay.
not upon me who decide.
So you have the script,
Yeah.
and so what is your favorite scene in the script? Like, what would you like most to be focused on, or like, what is your favorite bit in the script?
A smart woman, a woman of substance, someone like that.
Okay, so but you don't have a particular scene that you would like to enhance, or to really bring out the true essence of Bhavri Devi.
Like, see, basically how she was assaulted by people, her family, friends, her husband. The basic thing where my favorite scene, if you say in fact everything is favorite, because entire how she revolts against the system, politics, the film line, her family, it's that, her revolt.
Okay.
In fact, the entire script is my favorite scenes because it's totally the revolt what she does.
And same for you?
Yes, because the journey is such that it goes from a woman who had nothing. She comes from a Nat Samaj. They used to perform acrobatics. Her family used to perform acrobatics on street, on 25 paisa, 50 paisa.
Yeah.
And it's journey of that woman
Okay.
who was victim all her life, all her young age.
So basically, every scene will be worth watching.
Every scene would be worth watching.
So how different is filmmaking from television? Like, what are the challenges you all are facing right now?
I don't know, as such challenges. See, basically, I've been in the industry for the past 7 years in standard. Be it TV, be it reality shows, again coming to marketing of films or ticketing of films, I've understood, and according to me, according to my knowledge, I've understood how it works. So that's the reason I didn't decide to be a producer, of course. It just came up to me, many people in my team, I've got an army of my team. Basically, as I told you, my guru, Mr. Mahesh Pandey, like he's being the king of TV. And of course, even Bollywood films, even, not only TV, but he's more known through TV. Of course, his last film was quite controversial and amazing, an amazing piece what he had made. And let's see how it works out. I have decided to become a producer, now let's see how I stick on to it.
So, but are you going to stay on in movies, or are you going to juggle TV and movies together?
Okay, now TV I quit last year. I am not at all getting back into TV. But yeah, it depends. If I want to get back into it, popular, open up a satellite channel, then opening up a production house for TV.
Okay. And so, and how demanding is it being a creative director as compared to, being in TV and doing other things?
Television as a format is very different. Films, again, I have done few films in the past. The work is the same, but obviously the dynamics of it change. So. But yes, it's definitely more challenging, especially for this script. It requires a lot.
So
In terms of the reality.
it must take everything out of your.
Yes.
Of course.
Yeah.
We're doing it day and night.
Wow.
6 months of my life. And of course,
That's a lot.
some more
Wow.
time, and hopefully it starts soon. I'm planning to go on floor ASAP by 7 June.
Okay.
At least my first Muhurat of my film goes ASAP within this month. Let's see how lucky it is for me.
Thank you so much for being with us, gentlemen. It's been a pleasure having you all. Kudos to you all for being here and taking on such a controversial topic. We at Films of India wish them all the best. Thank you.
Thanks guys, and do catch this first on Films of India. Alright? First exclusive interview of Nikhil Tonk and Mithilesh Shiva on Films of India.